Hello, everybody. This is Dr. G.P. Sudhakar, Professor of Management from India. Right. So, in this specific video, I am going to explain you some of the PhD topics in innovation management. In innovation management, see, basically, innovation is one of the management discipline, right? So, let us see what are the some of the PhD topics. PhD topics in innovation management. Right. See, basically, when we say what are the research topics in innovation management, we should know first what kind of variables, what is the innovation environment in a business organization. In a business organization, what is the innovation impact on the business also we should be able to know. And so in this specific video, what I will do is, first 2 to 3 minutes, I will explain about some of the variables and the context of the innovation in an organization environment. Context of the innovation in organization environment. Later on, I will proceed to and describe some of the PhD topics which you can pursue to do doctoral program in innovation management. Right. So let's move on and learn what is the innovation management means. What all will come into picture? What all will come into picture? Innovation management. See, basically, when we say innovation means what all will come into picture? Creativity. Innovation means creativity. Innovation. Next, idea generation. Idea generation. Creativity will come. Idea generation will come. Next, what is the output of innovation? Patents. Innovation outcome. Innovation outcome. Innovation outcome means what are will be the what is the outcome of innovation? Patents. Next, trademarks. Next, designs. Any copyrights. All these are output of innovation, right? Next, let us see another aspect. What is the output of innovation? What is the impact of innovation on organization? What is the impact of innovation on organization? First one is financial performance. Financial performance. Next, with innovation, what will grow in organization? Organizational innovation. Organizational innovation capability. Organizational innovation capability. Organizational innovation capability. That is also one of the byproduct of implementing innovation in organization, right? Next, what will come into picture? Next, equity performance. That also one of the variable in a equity performance or market capitalization. Let us see market capitalization. Market capitalization. This can be one of the variable when we construct a problem in innovation management, market capitalization. I will tell you how to construct a research problem using innovation and market capitalization. Right. Next what will come? The moment organization structure. This is one of the environmental variable, right? Innovation's environment is organization structure. Similarly, organization culture. The moment the culture impacts the innovation, right? Culture impacts innovation. Similarly, what will come into picture? Organization structure, organization culture. Next, participative safety. Employee participative safety. That can be one of the variable. That comes from from employee point of view. Employees, innovation, and then employees. employee's point of view, what is the participative safety? Participative safety. See, the moment participative safety is there, then only they will come out with ideas, right? So participative safety is one. Next, time spent. Time spent. Or time management. Or time management. How is the employee time management? See, basically, time has also got impact on the innovation capability, innovation output. Time also has got to know how employee time management is doing. Next, manager leadership style. Manager leadership style. Like this is the innovation environment. This is the innovation environment. Basically, when we say about innovation, all these things will come into picture. What are all they? See this? Creativity, idea generation, innovation output is patents, trademarks, design, copyrights, and also financial performance, organizational innovation capability, market capitalization, these things. So these can be some of the organizational productivity. Another one, organizational productivity or performance. These can be innovation output, right? Innovation output, outcome. This can be basically this, right? So this can be the dependent variables. When we construct a research problem, these can be dependent variables. These can be dependent variables. Similarly, organization structure. These can be dependent variables, right? Let us say here dependent variables. Dependent variables, because these are the output of the, similarly this also patents and trademarks designs. This is also dependent variable. This is also outcome, innovation outcome. We have title, right? Innovation outcome. These can be dependent variables. See, next what is that we are left with? Creativity, idea generation, organization structure, organization culture, participative safety, time management, manager leadership style. These can be independent variables. These can be independent variables. Similarly, these two, creativity and idea generation, also they can be independent variables. Independent variables, because these are the inputs, right? See, creativity, idea generation, independent variables, and these are the independent variables. What is this? This is the dependent variables are the output of innovation. That means I will tell you how to construct the research problems. For example, first one, topics, research topics. First one is relationship between number of ideas generated and number of patents developed. Relationship between number of ideas generated, and then what is its relationship with number of patents developed. Is there any relationship? Or somewhere during the organizational process, in the organization internal process, some ideas they are going off. Is there any relation? For example, over a period of a quarter, probably 20-30 ideas have come. How many turned out into patents? Is there any relationship? Even if less ideas comes, you are developing more patents. What is the relationship? Next one is what? Level of participative safety. Level of participative safety. Level of participative safety of employee. Level of participative safety of employee and number of patents developed. Number of patents developed. Is there any relationship? Is there any relationship? No, the participatory safety is more. So many products are coming, patents are coming out, or participatory is what is the relationship? Next one is what duration product used. Duration, for example, duration of product use. Duration of product use. That means, for example, see, basically with respect to innovation means what? Either developing a new product or service, or modifying the existing product or existing service. That is also innovation, modifying also. Right. For example, what happens in case of some of the we experience it, right? I will tell you an example. In rural India, some farmers they used this motorbike engine to pull out the water from their wells. Some of the rural area India, that innovation happened, right? So that means the users who are the consumers of the product who use it for a very long time, they are going to make innovation also. Sometimes consumers also make innovation, or the users also make innovation. They try to modify, alter the product and develop something new, right? That means, is there any relationship between the number of years product is used and duration of the product used and the innovation outcome of users? No, the more number of years we are using the product, that means is it innovation is coming out because of it, or it is not there. There is a relationship. For example, the mobile phone usage, how long we used, and is there any innovation? See, usually what happens is the users who use more than 80 to 90% of the features of a product, they try to alter the product features and make something innovation out of it, right? So that also number of features used in the product, is it related to innovation outcome? Number of features used in a product, how many the percentage of features you used and innovation made, is there any relationship? Innovation made by the user or consumer, right? That can also be one more topic. Next, what? See, for example, uh, organizational innovation capability and equity performance. Organizational organizational innovation capability, and what is the relation with the equity performance means what will come into picture? Market capitalization of the company. See, for example, why I constructed this problem, I will tell you the reason. See how Apple and Tesla are innovative. Is it because of the innovation capability they could get that much market capitalization? Is there relation? Sometimes some of the small and medium-sized enterprises, they may be more innovative, but it is not related to the market capitalization of specific company. Is there any relationship? What is the innovation capability of the organization and market capitalization? And market capitalization, that can be researched further. Empirical study can be done. And this is the level of innovation of the organization and market capitalization, because Tesla and Apple proved that they are innovative, and also market capitalization also very high, right? So similarly, another research topic can be average customer tenure. Average customer tenure. Average customer tenure. Average customer tenure. Average customer tenure with the company and organizational innovation capability. Is there any relationship? Organizational innovation capability. Organizational innovation capability. Why? Because see how Intel could retain the customers. How average customer tenure of with Intel products and Intel processors. Is there any relationship? Average customer tenure with the company and innovation capability of organization. That can be, that drives you to, to do this kind of research, right? Is there any relationship between average customer tenure with the company and more organizational innovation capability? Is there any relationship? Hmm? Next what? Next, you can take, see, organization culture, effect of organization culture on innovation outcome. Innovation outcome. You know, effect of organization culture and innovation outcome. The better culture we are having, more products, more patents are coming out, more products are coming out. Is it like that? Hmm? Right. So next, manager leadership style. Manager leadership style. Manager leadership style. Hmm? What is its effect on the innovation outcome? Manager's leadership style and the innovation outcome. Hmm? Similarly, we are making innovations every year, right? Then is the organizational productivity increased or not? Innovation means, for example, from technology point of view, we developed new products or new services. Is it really increased the organizational productivity? Innovations we are making. That means innovation output, innovation outcome. What is its relationship? Innovation's outcome, what is its relationship to organizational productivity? Organizational productivity. Innovation outcome relationship with organizational productivity. Innovation outcome relationship with organizational productivity. Because we made new innovation and new technological products have come out. Is it really improved the organizational productivity? That research can be done empirical study. Right. So next what? Organizational structure. Organizational structure. Next one is organizational structure. What is the effect of organizational structure? Effect of organizational structure on organizational innovative capability. Organizational innovative capability. Organizational innovative capability. Is there any relationship? No, if it is functional organization, no organization has got more innovation level, or if it is matrix oriented, it has got more innovation level, or project oriented is allowing employees to make innovations, something like that, right? So, and financial performance. So this is uh, this can be another research topic. See, financial performance is there, right? See, for example, if you take any business organization, 20% of that annual revenues, they depend on the new innovations you are making. You are making every year annually. What is your innovation pipeline? What is your innovation pipeline? Is it affecting the employee organization's financial performance? Right, innovation. This can be constructed like innovation outcome or number of patents developed. Is it impacting the organizational financial performance? That means every year we are making new products and services. But does it really improve the organizational financial performance or not empirically? This year I made three innovations, or this is the growth rate in the organizational revenues. Similarly, next year for 5 innovations, what is the you can do empirical study. Take the period of 10 years data or 20 years data inside an organization. So these many new innovations we made, these many new patents are developed, or these many projects are executed in organizational financial performance. Is there any correlation? Like this, you can design different research problems from this innovation management domain. in this innovation management domain. Right, you see, just focus on this. I think we covered, right? So this is basically we started with innovation management. What are the variables in innovation management? So we discussed that innovation means creativity, idea generation. Hmm? Next, what is the innovation outcome? Patents, trademarks, designs, and copyrights. And another output of innovation impact is, organizational productivity, performance, financial performance. These things will come into picture. And with respect to employees, some of the factors: participative safety, time management. And another thing is there any effect? Another problem: employee time management. Employee time management. Is it related to organizational innovation outcome? Because innovation is something related to time management also, employee time management. How is their level of time management in the organization, and what is the innovation outcome? Right. So like this, we can design different problems with respect to innovation. Right. So please focus couple of minutes. So let's move on.